friends, my name is Anshika and today I am going to teach you how to make a bookmark. So let's start. For this bookmark, you will need 12 into 12 origami paper, a glue stick. So you need only two things which you will get in your house very easily. So this paper, I will hold it in diamond shape and then I will make mountain fold like this. I will open it, then turn it again into a diamond shape, again mountain fold. How much perfect folds you will make, it will be used for you only. Then valley fold. Then we will open it, turn it behind and then make these two parts like this. And I will fold this part like this because it is not folding properly. Now I have done water bomb fold over here. See, you can see this. Now what we have to do is open it again. Then here you get a line. See this valley fold line. So you have to take one part and fold it till here, till the middle line. Then open it. Then again go to your water bomb fold. Then go to the side where your line is coming like this. Then put your fingers over here like this and then take it like this up, press it and then do it like this. Same with the other side. Then I will turn it like this, so I will get house-like shape. Then that shape, these two lines I get over here, so that I will take it up and turn it till the middle line. Then I will get a small triangle over here and two rectangles over here. So then I will turn it like this. Then this rectangle I will take in my hand. I'll put my finger inside and then I will press it like this. Same with the other side. Open it, put your finger inside and press it. Make sure your folds are perfect. Then I get two squares over here. So that square part I will take it up like this. And same with the other side. Done. So now here you get two corners, right? Over here. So that corners also you have to take it up. So here you have to do only triangles. Then I will hold these two corners and take this up like this. See, our bookmark is ready, but just now we need to take our glue stick and stick this part. You have to put a very generous amount of glue stick and then stick it. See, now our bookmark is ready. Then I will take my book which I had with me. And now I will show you how it looks. See, so our bookmark is looking very pretty on this book. So you can make it within a few minutes. And instead of origami paper, you can also use any other paper. Thank you. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like my video, share, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.